Hello students, welcome to my channel CNCS Science and Math Concepts. Today we are doing the question which is from the topic of alternating current. This question is from IIT. A coil of wire having inductance and resistance has a conducting ring placed coaxially within it. The coil is connected to a battery at time t is equals to 0 so that time dependent current I2t at any time t starts flowing through the coil. If I2 at any time t is the current induced in the ring and magnetic field B at any time t is the magnetic field at the axis of the coil due to I1t current, then as a function of time which is greater than 0, the product of I2 into I2 at any time t and magnetic field at any time t. Now the options are increases with time, decreases with time, does not vary with time, passes through a maximum. So now here, first of all, there are variables, that is magnetic field is induced, current I2 is induced. So we consider constants K1, K2 and K3 at different points. So now the current I1 at any time t, since the current is given, so there will be induction in the coil. So which is the rate of growth of current will be given by K1 into 1 minus e to the power minus t upon tau. Now due to this current, magnetic field is induced at any time t, which will be proportional to I into t. Therefore magnetic field at any time t is equals to, now the constant of proportionality I am taking K2, and current is I1 into t, that is 1 minus e to the power minus t upon tau. Now since the magnetic field is induced in the coil, it will generate current. Therefore current in the coil I2t will be proportional to rate of change of magnetic field at any time t. Now this is equals to I2 into t. Now constant we consider here is equals to constant of proportionality K3. Now if we differentiate the equation of magnetic field, one is constant, so its differentiation will become 0. So this is equals to differentiation of e to the power minus t by t, with minus sign it will become e to the power minus t upon tau. Now we want product of I2t into magnetic field at any time t, which is equals to, now I2 into t is K3 and in magnetic field it is K2. So I consider here the constant to be K4. I2 is equals to e to the power minus t by tau, and in magnetic field it is 1 minus e to the power minus t tau. Now if we solve this question, at t is equals to 0, e to the power any number 0 is 1. So in the second bracket, 1 minus 1 will become 0, and at t is equals to infinity, any number to the power infinity is again 1 minus infinity. So it will become 1 upon infinity. 1 upon infinity is again the product will give you 0. Therefore at t is equals to 0 and t is equals to infinity, I2 at time t and magnetic field at any time t will become 0. Now the time is varying from 0 to infinity. So at in between what will happen? In between, for any time interval, the product will be positive. That is, in between at any time into b into t is equals to positive value for other values of t. Other values of time. It means it is varying from 0 to infinity from positive side. It means it is going to from 0 to any maximum value and then come back to 0. Now we see the options. Increases with time, definitely it increases with time. Decreases with time, definitely increases with time. But not only keeps increasing, not only keeps decreasing. but it is varying with time, so it is not the C option, but passes through maximum is the correct option. Hence option D is the correct option. Hope you must have understood how to solve this question. Keep watching my other videos for more challenging questions. Thank you.